Hey there, good afternoon. It is Friday, April 2nd, and I'm going to give you a little sneak peek into the progress here of what I'm working on. It's almost to the point where I get to add resin and color, which is awesome fun, but right now I've been filling in these patterns like this one here. Doesn't have any quilling yet, but it will have greens and trees and fun things like that. This one here is done and ready, and you can see these clear circles here. This is what they're going to do. They're going to have twinkle lights behind them, so it's going to be light up art, because why not? Because it's fun. So right now I am still working on the quilling portion. As soon as I get all that done, then tomorrow, which is Saturday, April 3rd, I am going to pour the resin and get these babies done because I'm falling behind a little bit. The reason I have this project going on is because the kind people at Art Resin have generously shared resin with me to do a special project and document it. So this is also part of the documentation here, that what's going on in the middle of the process. And so that's pretty much where I'm at today. And that's all I got to tell you. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.